click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload. Hello friends, this is Christian. In this video, I will talk about the top 6 custom ROM for Android smartphone. So let's watch. So friends, the number 6 is OxygenOS. OxygenOS is a customized version of the Android mobile operating system developed by Chinese smartphone manufacturers OnePlus exclusively for their smartphone. It is also available as custom ROM for many devices. The fifth is ColorOS. ColorOS is an Android software and operating system created by Oppo. It is a fork of Google's operating system Android. The ColorOS themes is too much like iOS of Apple. It is also available as custom ROM for many devices. The fourth is MIUI. MIUI is a stock and aftermarket ROM for smartphones and tablet computers developed by Xiaomi. The firmware is based on Google's Android operating system. MIUI includes various features such as theming spot and many more. It is available as custom ROM for many other companies' smartphones like Samsung, OnePlus, Huawei, etc. The third custom ROM is One UI. One UI is a software developed by Samsung Electronics for its Android devices. Succeeding Samsung Experience and TouchWiz UI, it is designed to be further streamlined with specific optimization to ease one-hand use of smartphones with large screens. It is available in old version, which is Samsung Experience 9.5 as custom ROM for other companies' smartphones like Xiaomi, Google, OnePlus, etc. And we hope the latest version by the developers soon. The second is Pixel Experience ROM. Pixel Experience is an AOSP based ROM with Google apps included and all Pixel goodies. For example, launcher, wallpapers, icons, fonts and boot animation. They provide the maximum possible stability and security along with essential features for the proper functioning of the device. This is another great custom ROM which provide you real stock Android look. It is also available for many devices as custom ROM. Number 1 is Lineage OS. Lineage OS is a free and open source operating system for smartphone and tablet computers based on Android platform. It is the successor to the custom ROM Cyanogen mode, from which it was converted in December 2016, when Cyanogen Inc. announced that they are discontinuing development and shut down the infrastructure behind the project. It provides a pure stock Android look. It is also very popular in the custom ROM community, available for many Android devices. So friends, I hope you will like the video, so subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace out.